YouTubers? Today we're gonna show you a coffee maker I bought off eBay. It's the thermal coffee maker. Here it goes. So you can see I pressed on, and now it's brewing the shit. As you can see, you got the timer on this thing. And I'm just like baked. So here it goes. So you can start the bubble and shit. Oh yeah. It fucking brews the shit so good. You know what I'm saying? This is Black & Decker. Got the timer on. You can see you can set the clock and stuff. You got the alarm system. You can put the alarm on this like you do. Brewing really fast, but you can see. It's coffee maker. You can check my. Basically, what kind of coffee maker do you guys? I like this kind of coffee maker because it beats all the other coffee makers out. And this was the first one to make digital clocks, and so this is the first digital coffee maker. Best coffee maker going. So you can steam come here, as you can see. There's steam come here, as you can see. Starting to brew it. Pumping it. It's pumping the crap out of this thing right now. What's up? Yeah, so you can see. Still brewing really fast. As you can see. Coffee maker sells for let's say it's $100, and you can't get any placement parts. Just coffee making more. So you can see it's brewing. Coffee maker is thermocraft operated. It has a good timer. As you can see, I'll show you what this timer's running. How to. Stuff. See, it says off and on. Shut off coffee maker. Brewing this stuff really fast. They're Black & Decker, so yeah, so just doing a video right now because I have nothing better to do. So. Just pumping that stuff really good. The water's going down quite a bit. It's pumping that water down pretty fast, though, YouTube. So, you can buy this on any kind of website. Like you can buy this coffee maker on eBay or any kind of like thrift store. They're around $5. They're okay for this machine, though. So, or you still make good coffee makers. You can see. I just want to see if it actually. I can't wait to use this coffee maker because I always wanted a coffee maker with a timer on it that's easy to use. This is the easiest coffee maker going down on what used to be on the market. You guys buy it. I give this coffee maker 5 stars. It's a good coffee maker, and yeah. So check me on YouTube. Check out Thermos Dade or Stanley Thermos. Those are my 2 YouTube accounts, and I do review lots of thermoses. And looks like it's almost done. The coffee maker almost done brewing, and with steam. See what happens with this light. See what happens with this light. It's like Yep, it looks like it's time to have some coffee. I think I'm gonna pause this really quickly. So what we have going down is it steam. I guess it's I guess this means hot. YouTube. Thanks for watching.